Hello all. In this video, we are going to study what is moment and what is formula for moment of a force about a point and about a line. So let us start. Let us consider some rigid object under some force F. Due to this force, this rigid object may translate, number 2 may rotate, or combination of both translation and rotation. So here this rotation is related with moment. We can say moment of a force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about a point or about an axis, as you can see in this figure. Now mathematically, what is formula for moment of a force about a point? For that, let us consider some arbitrary object with a point O on it under some force F applied on it in the direction as shown in this figure. Now to find formula, let us draw perpendicular OM from given point to the given force. Then formula is force multiply this perpendicular distance OM. And here in this figure, force is moving around O in this direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. And for anti-clockwise direction, we will consider moment as positive. But if force is moving about O like this in clockwise direction, then we'll consider moment as negative. Now what if moment is 0? If moment is 0, then either force is 0 or this perpendicular distance is 0. But if we consider there is some force, means F is non-zero, then OM equal to 0. And OM equal to 0 means, see this figure, O coincides with M, means point O lies on force itself. So from here we can observe that if point lie on force, then moment of a force about that point means any point on its line of action, whether on it or forward or backward. Moment of a force about any point on its line of action is 0. This is very important observation from this result when moment is 0. Next, moment of a force about a line. Let us consider a force F and a given line AB about which we are going to find moment of F. Theta is angle between force and line, and shortest distance between force and line is CD here. So formula is force multiply sine of the angle between two and multiply by shortest distance between force and line. Or we can say F sine theta multiply by CD. Now here again, if moment is 0 means either force is 0, sine theta 0 or shortest distance is 0. But if there is some force, means if F is non-zero, then either sine theta 0 or CD 0. Now sine theta 0 means theta is equal to 0 degree. We can say F is parallel to given line. So moment of a force about any line parallel to it is 0. This result is from sine theta equal to 0. Now from CD equal to 0 means, see this figure. If CD equal to 0 means shortest distance between force and line is 0, means force is intersecting line AB. So both are intersecting, then in that case also CD 0 means moment 0. So CD 0 implies that moment of a force about any line intersecting force is also 0. So these two are the observations for moment equal to 0 of a force about any line. Thank you.